Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to look for items to list on Amazon. We're going to do Bed Bath & Beyond today. So one way, what I will do is actually say, let's look for Stratford. Let's just plug in Stratford. I might give you, say, let's look for this today. Okay, so we come here, this is $99.99. We get free shipping over $49. Now, if it's under $49, I probably wouldn't exactly go for it. This one has 8 reviews. It looks like it's pretty good. So let's look at it. So one way to go about it is to actually right click on the image, search Google for the image. Now we're not going to do Target. Okay, well here we said it, Bed Bath & Beyond, Bed Bath & Beyond. Here we see Amazon, which is what we're looking for, Amazon.com, but this says wicker side tables. For this, we're just going to try and find the exact one. This one, it says Stratford umbrella stand side table with shelf wicker steel frame. Now, if you look at this, this is actually adding a Cabana Way cooling towel. If we look at Bed Bath & Beyond, it does not add that towel. So that's not something that we're going to be able to use. But let's just see if there's any more. Let's take this. And let's look again. Okay, so this is Cabana Way. That's not something we're going to do. Let's look at this one. This is $139.90. The product description, the Stratford Wicker umbrella side table holds up beautifully year after year. Outdoor patio furniture, accommodates most in 1.5 in diameter, and it measures 20 by 20. So the picture looks the same. Let's look at what it says here on Bed Bath & Beyond. It holds up beautifully year after year. Designed to hold most umbrellas up to 1.5 in diameter, the poles, and measures 20 inches square by 20 inches high. So it looks like actually everything is all the same on this. Now let's just make sure that we can make a profit. So and it's at 122,000. So I would say that's okay. So it's at $139.90. Now Amazon takes 15% of your fees. So you're going to do 139.90 times 0.85. So $118.91. So I'm just going to put 118.91. And then what is their price? It's $99. I'm just going to round up to $100. 100, and let's just add 8% for sales tax, if there is sales tax, which Bed Bath & Beyond there is. So 108. Okay, so 108. So we're going to be making about, well, I'll just calculate it, but about an $8 profit plus cash back. So 118 minus 108, $10. Okay. So what we're going to do is you're going to take this ASIN. Sorry, this ASIN. You can find the ASIN in 2 different places. One is down here, and one is right up here. I think it's easiest just to actually take it up here. You're going to add the ASIN, and you're going to add the the link to it. Okay. Now let's look at Amazon to see if there are any other people selling it that mean it may be a different one. Here's one right here. It's $138.89. And let's see if this person has sold it. This has 0 out of 5 stars. There's no ranking on it. That means that person has not sold it yet. Let's see. I think I've just looked at this. Did I look? This one is at 1 million. Sorry. This one is actually at 1 million. So we could also add it to this one. It's $133.13. And then you're going to times that times 0.85, 113 minus 108, so $5. We could actually end up adding that. Let's just make sure that it looks the same. 1.5 inches in diameter, 20 by 20. And yeah, everything looks like it's exactly the same. So that's another one that we could go ahead and add. It is sort of high, but as far as the ranking, but it's there. We could still probably go ahead and sell it. Let me just copy this and paste it. Okay. So let's look and see if there's anything else. Okay, let's look for this right here, this wicker glass balcony table. I'm going to search Google for image. Okay, that's not it. Well, I know this is actually on here, so let's go to Amazon.com. And let's just put in this title. Copy. And paste it. Okay. Here it is right here. So this is at 54,466. That's good. It's at $103.28. It's 28 by 28 by 35. 28 by 28 by 35. So this is the same thing. So let's get our calculator out. They're selling it for $103.28. So 103.28 times 0.15 equals 103.28 times 0.85, I'm sorry, equals $87.78. So we have $87.78. It is, let's just say $80. So $80 plus 8%, $86.40. So that means we're going to make about $1. But we'd also be making about $7 in cash back. So I would just go ahead and add that. Sorry about that. So I'm just going to go ahead and add that to the spreadsheet. Let's find the okay. Now another way that you can go about it is you can tell people are drop shipping this because you see all the people right here. So let's just take this person. Let's just take them and let's look at their information. Let's go to their storefront. And let's look to see if they have anything that we can actually, you're going to open up another Amazon window that we can actually list. So this right here, it has 370 customer reviews. I'm thinking it's probably on Amazon Prime. We're not going to be able to actually even to beat that. So what we're going to do is go over here. We're just going to put in the ASIN. Yeah. So let's just check on it. I believe this is the Sapphire. It's 119. Now sometimes you do want to check. Sometimes if it says it's going to take 2 to 4 weeks, you can go ahead and add it. But on this, that's not something that is going to be something that we can use. Let me just move this over. Okay, so let's go to the next object. After a while, you'll just see, oh yeah, that's something that you can do. Like right here, this is Stratford. So obviously, this is, I believe, Bed Bath & Beyond's items. Reset Amazon by clicking on Amazon Prime. Paste. Okay. So a bunch of people are actually selling this. $178.99. Let's see if we can search this for Bed Bath & Beyond, because I'm pretty sure that's where it's at. Or it might be Home Depot. Here we go. I think this is it. Okay, so it looks like this actually has different colors. So we've got the terracotta. That's what this one is. We've got, it's $178.99, $178.99. Oops, sorry, times 0.85, 178.99 times 0.85. So it's 152.14. and it is $140, just rounding up. So 140 plus 8% equals 151. So we're making only about $1. So this one's actually much better, the $10. But it is worth putting because you do actually get cash back on this, which would be would get about $13 back in cash back. So it is worth actually looking at. So let's go ahead and put the ASIN. And this. Okay, so now let's go and see if we see anything else. I'm not going to do electronics or anything like that. Here's a modern wicker patio table. It actually has a good amount. This right here might be something we might want to look up, but it has a bad review. So once it gets that one bad review, so basically someone, yeah, so that they bought it from Bed Bath & Beyond. It does still say it's at $84,929 though. I mean, 84,929 ranking, but I think I would just stay away from that. So you can basically go through what people have and then see if there's anything that you can get from them. Let's look at JWD products. This is a bestseller. This probably is on Amazon Prime. Let's see how many reviews this has. We probably are not going to be able to compete with that unless possibly it is out of stock. So let's just look. Is this maybe out of stock? No, it's not out of stock. It's not taking time for it to send. So that pretty much concludes this video. It gives you a brief idea of what you would be doing and how you would be looking up information. Now you can just go ahead and answer the questions and get back to me. Thank you.